So hi everyone, here is the vlog about dirt bike racing. Here we're just heading to the venue. Mridul drove a car, Jashna and I were also there. Here's me just enjoying the songs. Here I asked Jashna to take a vlog from the front.
South Indian long drive चल रही है।
The fuck is
बिना बेल्ट के यही एक सपोर्ट है।
The fuck is a South Indian long drive?
Look at the beautiful view along the way. This is how the track was supposed to look before, like in the morning. And here is how the track looked like after we were there. Ankita getting her the pin. Here's Abhi just getting ready, us cheering Abhi on. This is the track where we were standing waiting to cheer on Abhi. Here is Ankita doing a little dance in her raincoat and slipping. Mridul being the jokester, Jashna being the dad and telling her to be careful. Us just having the time of our life, cheering on Abhi. The track got even muddier as it rained continuously. Here's Abhi finally getting a little excited. She was a bit worried, that's all. Here's how Ankita looked after it started raining very hard. Me being like, where's Abhi? Found Abhi. I was just waiting around for Abhi to come, racing on a bike. Looking for her again. Look at the amount of people standing here with their umbrellas. And here comes Abhi. Here is us at the top of the mountain. Finally, Abhi is done with the race. So we're just hanging around. Look at all the other bikers getting ready to start their race. Spotted the endangered animal. Photo shoot session is a must. Abhi with her bike, us with our wrinkled hands and dirty feet. Abhi getting her prize. And us being super proud of her. Here's another photo shoot session. Us heading to stay away now. Change of clothes done. us with cream on our faces and stay away together. Now us heading back, Mridul's driving, Ankita sleeping in the back side of the car. Ankita and I with Abhi's clothes on. And that's it. Thanks for watching.